Hello guys, welcome to Netexpertz. In this session, we will talk about the methods of install, upgrade or migrate the Windows Server. So we have so many methods to install or upgrade or migrate. So in this we'll talk about only the upgrade and migration part of Windows Server. So the first method is known as clean install. Now clean install is the simplest way to install Windows servers. Like if you want to install Windows Server, or imagine we have a blank hardware, we can install Windows Server like this. Or if you have a previous versions of Windows Server is already installed, or you want to overwrite the new version of Windows Server, so we can go for the clean install. Now remember two things in clean installation. Once you go to clean installation, so first you have a backup of your data, because if you going for clean installation, so your backup is your data is permanently removed, and your applications also is permanently removed, so we need to reinstall the applications as well. The next method we have InPlace Upgrade. Now we'll talk about the upgradation part. Upgradation means if you have a lower version or a previous version of Windows Server, like you have a 2012, so we need to go to the 2016, or if you have a 2016 we need to go to 2019, or if you have 2019 server we need to upgrade to 2022. So now we'll talk about the in-place upgrade. So in-place upgrade gives you the functionality that number one, you need to understand that the hardware should be same. Okay, number second, all the roles or servers you have set up without wiping and reinstall the operating system. Like imagine if you want to upgrade your Windows Server 2019 to 12, 19 to 22. So in that case, what we can do, it gives you the option that you can keep your settings upgrade also. It doesn't delete anything. But remember one thing, in-place upgrade, it's not used right now. Why? Because all the roles are not support in-place upgrade. Like imagine if I install ADFS in one of my 2019 server and I want to upgrade my server in 2022. I want to upgrade OS as well. I want to upgrade the roles as well. So ADFS is not upgrade with in-place upgrade. In-place upgrade not support ADFS roles. So some roles are not supported by in-place upgrade. Okay, the supported roles are like file servers. You can upgrade the file servers with in-place upgrade. You can upgrade the DHCP servers. You can upgrade the DNS servers. But some roles are not compatible with in-place upgrade. So we need to remember two things in in-place upgrade. Number one, your hardware should be same, and number second, the roles compatibility we need to understand. Which role is able to upgrade or which roles is not able to upgrade. I'll talk about the server roles. Now next we have a cluster operating system rolling upgrade. Now this is the very good feature in Server 2019 and Server 2022. With the help of this cluster operating system rolling upgrade, we can upgrade our servers which are running in the clusters as well. Like imagine we have a cluster and I can add some servers in the cluster. Now I want to upgrade those cluster servers to 2019 to 2022. So we can. But there is no downtime we need for that. Okay, so like imagine if I have a 5 2019 servers and I want to upgrade all those 5 2019 servers which is available in the cluster to 2022, so we can without any downtime or without any stopping the Hyper-V or without any stopping your nodes in the cluster. Next method is known as migration. So migration is what? Migration of Windows Server is when you move one feature or role from source to destination. Like imagine you have a different servers. You have an old server, like imagine my old server I can install server 2019, and we have a new server known as 2022. Okay, so I want to move one role to old to new server. Like since 2019 I have a DHCP server, so I want to move those DHCP server roles in 2022. So we can with the help of migration. So migration, we can use minimum 2 servers. We need migration. So if you go for in-place upgrade, the previous one, if you go for cluster operating system, we don't need a separate servers. We don't need a source or destination servers. But in migration, we need a source and destination servers. Now last we have a license conversion. Now license conversion means that, like imagine I want to upgrade my versions only, not full operating system. Like imagine I'm using 2019 standard edition. Now I want to move to 2019 data center edition, or I'm using 2022 standard edition. or I want to upgrade them to data center edition. So we can with the help of license conversion. So license conversion with we can use the license appropriate key and we can upgrade the versions. Once you upgrade the versions, remember these things. Remember one thing in this license conversion method is that if once you upgrade the license, you're not able to decrease your version. Like imagine if right now I'm using 2019 standard. I want to upgrade them to data center. I upgrade it with the help of license conversion. After that, we're not able to get back. Remember these things. So these are the 5 methods we have. So that's it for the session, guys. If you have any doubt, anything, if you want to ask any questions, please ask me in the video comment. Thank you for watching.